Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We were discussing about the chemical reactions, and here we are going to discuss the combustion. What is the combustion? Combustion or the burning? Actually, the combustion or the burning here in the diagram, burning of fuel or the gas is shown. Actually, combustion or burning is a chemical reaction in which a fuel burn in the presence of oxygen, and it will form the oxide, and when it is oxide it will form the oxide surely. This type of reaction, such as this one, it will produce the energy, it release the energy in the form of light and heat. You can see that light and heat is emitting from this reaction. So this is the combustion reaction, that is releasing energy in the form of heat and also in the form of light. So as it is releasing the heat, we can say that combustion reaction are the exothermic reactions. What are the fuels, and how they burn? Fuels are the things that burn in the presence of some flame. For example, we have in the fuels as oil, as methane gas, or the natural gas that we use in our homes, and coal, and we can say that the wood too. um, these fuels burn well, and they provide us a large amount of energy, and that energy is used for different purposes. First of all, the common uses of them is that we use it in our homes, and in our homes we use it for heating purposes and also for the cooking purposes. And at the industrial level, they are used to generate electricity in power stations, and also in aircrafts, ships, and in our motor vehicles too. And why the fuel burns? The fuel burns well, because they contain carbon and hydrogen. That's why they are called the hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons are the compounds that contain the carbon and hydrogen elements. If these elements burn in the presence of oxygen, then they form the carbon dioxide and also the water. Here we have the equation to represent the combustion reaction. First one, we have the fuel that is burned in the presence of oxygen, and it will form the carbon dioxide, heat energy, and water. Here is the example of burning of methane. As we know that methane is a fuel, so when a fuel will burn in the presence of oxygen, it will form the water, the carbon dioxide, and the heat energy. Here we are. Here we have the diagram of burning of methane with the help of the apparatus. Here is the natural gas methane that is burned, and this gas is transferring by the delivery tube to this test tube, and then to this test tube. In the first, we have the anhydrous copper sulfate powder that is of white color because it is anhydrous. So the copper sulfate powder is white. When the natural gas will pass in the first test tube, it will be its color will change from white color to the blue color. Why? Because when the burning of methane, then it will produce the water. Here the presence of water will be shown, and the copper sulfate powder, which is of white color, will be converted into blue color. In the next, we have in the next test tube of calcium hydroxide solution, that is also called the lime water. As we discussed that water, carbon dioxide, and heat energy will be produced. In the first test tube, we find the presence of water, and in the next test tube, when methane gas will be passed by the delivery tube, you will see that lime water will turn milky. The conversion of lime water towards the milky is showing that the carbon dioxide gas is present in it. As we discussed about the carbon dioxide test, which turned the lime water milky, and from the vacuum pump it will be released. So methane gas is burned in the presence of oxygen, and it produced water, carbon dioxide and energy too. Okay, hope it will be clear to you. Next we have you know that we also need the energy, and the as we know that the burning or the combustion process produce energy. So how in our body energy is produced? Actually in our body fuels are also burned, and and the fuels are taken by the hydrocarbons that we get from our food in the form of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and they are burned in our body but without any flame, and that process will produce energy that will be used in our different purposes, for different purposes, in different body functions, in different body reactions. And that type of combustion or that type of burning in our body is called respiration. Okay, that was all the process of combustion and the burning of hydrocarbons, the formation of oxide, and also the reaction of the fuels. That's it. Thank you.